If you like kimchi and ramen, you should try this kimchi fried ramen recipe. You don't need much ingredients for this recipe, just prepare some kimchi and ramen. First, we're gonna cook the noodles and vegetable flakes, but only to the halfway. So the package instruction says that it should be cooked for 4 minutes, but we're gonna cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain and rinse with cold water. On a heated pan with olive oil, cook some minced garlic and then add kimchi. And now we're gonna add the ramen powder, but not everything. We're just gonna use half and then see how it tastes and then add some more if needed. I added some water in my empty kimchi bottle and then shook it and then add those water to the pan as well.